Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in an Epson XP-4155 inkjet printer. Now this is nice and simple, can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the buttons on the front, and there's no need to have it connected to a laptop or PC. Now if you're not already on this screen, you want to return to the home screen by pressing the home button up there. But here we are, I'm going to move along using the right arrow until I get to maintenance. Press OK. Now once we're in maintenance, we're going to go down to the fourth option using the down arrow till we get to ink cartridge replacement. Press OK again. A couple of screens you can skip through until you end up on this screen. Now as you probably heard, you get a little whir from the printer, which is moving the ink cartridge carriage inside the printer into the correct position. So if we open up the lid of the printer, now when it comes to lifting up the lid of the printer, there's two recesses directly under the scanner bed. So you hold it, lift up, clip on the left or get into position and hold this up. Now it's quite tight, there's not tons of room in here, but that's the correct position for it to be in. Now as described, the cradle is moved along to here. It would ordinarily be tucked under, so you can't just do it normally or with the power of the printer off. So the display is showing everything's pretty full, but for argument's sake, I'm just going to change the black one. There's a little clip at the back for most cartridges. It's difficult to see, but it's there. Press them, and you lift the cartridge up. Okay, get a brand new cartridge, although I've just passed the same cartridge behind my back. Put them back in, and again, you can compress it to make it easier as it goes in, but you want to press them down until you get that little click that it's down flush with the top of the other cartridges. Now repeat this for any other cartridges that need changing, and then just lift the lid. The clip here automatically just starts dangling, and you can lower him all the way down. So back to the screen. Now your printer will want to check the status of all the cartridges. As you can see, you can tell we've messed around with the black there. It's going to want to make sure it's perfectly happy with the cartridge, it can read the chip, etc. So we press OK. Now your printer will take just a second to make sure it's 100% happy with that cartridge. Now the initializing it's doing is pulling fresh ink into the print head, because if you've got a new cartridge in there, it's going to need to make sure it's got the ink from the cartridge to where it needs to be, which takes it a couple seconds. Then we're back at this very same screen again, which disappears very quickly. But that's about all there is to this process. If you are changing ink cartridges because of a print quality issue, and that still remains, you might want to check out our additional videos on the printhead cleaning cycle, and also the printhead nozzle check, which we have on our channel also. But assuming that's everything, and you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.